Coronavirus is taking over. In this video, we want to share with you 5 things that you need to have, should have in your home from the store during a pandemic.
Yes.
See, most people know that the coronavirus is causing a huge change. And most people, they buying toilet paper, tissue, they're buying water, they're buying things they need to survive, canned foods. But we're going to share with you at least 5 different things that most people are not talking about that you need to get, and you can find at your average local Walmart, probably even the local gas station,
your local bodega
near you.
Yes.
All right, my friend. ¿Cómo se llamas? Me llamo es Dr. Jackson, your platform partner, your hustling homie, you one and only. And we also got
Chi checking in from Raise Your Chi. I'm so thrilled and happy to be with you all.
And the very first thing that we want to share with you, number 1, that you need to have from the store is black seed oil. Black seed oil, what is that? Now, black seed oil, this is a mandatory. This helps with so many things that you can in your life. This is just the overall immune system booster. If Superman had a drink that he drank in the morning, I think it would be black seed oil, right? Because we got to realize that our bodies are like vehicles, and if the food that you're eating is like your fuel, so if you don't feel energized, it's like, imagine you got a car, you put fuel in it and it stopped working. What does that tell you? That means you need some black seed oil in your life. Link in the description. Make sure that you get that. And I'm telling you from personal experience, there's a lot of reviews on why you need to have it during the corona crisis, just to stay powerful, strong all day long. You feel me?
What's the next thing?
Number 2, peroxide. Can you talk about this a little bit, the power of peroxide?
There are so many benefits of peroxide. One, it not only cleanses, but it also it serves as like a disinfectant for the inside of your mouth. Also, it's really good for just keeping your face clean, using it as an astringent. This is super helpful, especially during the time where they say don't put your hands in your face. So you want to be able to just put a little dab will do you on a cotton ball and just wipe your face down. You can use it also on your hands. I also swish it around in my mouth. It is super helpful, super helpful.
And one of the reasons too that I learned when I was 5 years old, I had a crazy ear infection. Doctor, what they did is they got the peroxide, they put a little bit in my ear, say lay your ear to the side for 2 minutes, and what I learned is that most diseases and viruses, infections, they come in through the ears. So you can wash your hands all day, but if you don't have clean ears, you're still susceptible for all sorts of immune diseases, colds, flus, etc., etc. So this is the gift that keeps on giving. Peroxide has over probably 50 different uses in your household, so get used to it. And you can get this for $1 at your local dollar store.
3.
Next is you get you some alcohol. Not just regular alcohol, but you can also get the rubbing alcohol, and you should get you some drinking alcohol as well. Chi, can you talk a little bit about the rubbing alcohol?
So the rubbing alcohol, this alcohol is really great. I suggest not getting the green one. Actually get this rubbing alcohol. It's super helpful for disinfecting. You can use it to wipe down your areas, your sinks, your toilet, the handle on your toilet. This works really well to disinfect your area. So I love this stuff. Well, love is kind of a strong word. I'll just say I like it a lot.
Rubbing alcohol has a lot of great uses, like she said, but then also you have the drinking alcohol. Now the reason why I say drinking alcohol is because, for one, it has multi-purposes. See, on this channel we want to show you how to get the best bang for your buck. So it's something like a drinking alcohol. One, if it's really going bad in your neighborhood, you can use this as a barter system. Let's say the bank shut down, electricity is out, and you need to exchange. Alcohol is very valuable. Keep people motivated or just numb down the stress. But also if you get, let's say, a cut or a wound,
Pour a little alcohol.
Pour out a little liquor.
So especially now during the times when they're saying that they're closing wineries, they're closing bars, they're closing smoke shops. What are you gonna do? You want to get that? You want to get that alcohol definitely from your local liquor store or your grocery store. Those are things that people aren't really thinking of buying. Hey, what are we on? Number. Just give me the light. Yeah. Just give me the light. We're on 4.
You want to get some salt, pink Himalayan sea salt, or you can get you some iodine. Now you see mine is empty, but we got some more around here somewhere. But you want to get salt, iodine salt.
Yes.
Why is this important? Because a lot of people like getting canned foods, they getting processed foods and beans, but many of that does not have iodine inside of it. And if your body is lacking iodine, then that means you're not experiencing the proper minerals that you need, because your body needs these minerals to survive.
Minerals to survive.
So you can either get you some iodine salt. You get this one for from the dollar store.
Yeah.
You know, you can use this. It has salt itself has over 100 different uses in a house. But many people, even in the Roman Empire, when like soldiers, they got paid in salt because salt was just that powerful.
It's a high commodity.
Very valuable. So you get you some salt. It's very, very important. You can use it a lot of different ways. I encourage you go on your phone, look at Google, and it'll show you so many different ways where you can use salt in your life outside of just your immune system and your health.
Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. This is good info.
And last thing is essential oils. Now this one is a bonus. Essential oils. This I got tea tree oil right here.
Yes.
Now with this tea tree, you don't necessarily have to do this particular tea tree, but I like it because of so many reasons. Like again, cleanliness, skin properties, disinfectant.
Yeah, it has many values. Tea tree oil. I would encourage you to get some. Just have it around your house. You can use it as a sanitizer. I use it. You can use it if you have any. No. If you
don't drink it.
That's what the other alcohol is for. If you have blemishes on your face or you just need, it's a very good cleansing agent. I love tea tree oil. I try and keep it in my house. You can get it from Trader Joe's. You can get it from your local health food store. But again, these are things that most people aren't buying. These are things that people aren't taking the time to buy. So make sure to go to your store while everybody else is buying up the toilet paper.